Xbox and all. New Xbox Series X. All on the TV screens as well. Fully HD as well. Rear heated seats as well. Seats warm up really well. Pan roof as well. It opens up, it's got a roller blind as well. In the video it's showing the lights are flickering, but they're not really, it's just the light. That's all the frames per second that I'm taking the video on. That's it. This is the new prior body kit. There's not any made in the United Kingdom. This is the only one. Absolutely lovely, really is. Not one scrape on it. Like pristine, as if it's just came out of the factory. Absolutely lovely. Really is one of a kind. So nice. And like I say, you've got your Xbox as well. You have all your things. You've got Sky and everything on it as well. Show you it. I'm using a wee pen stick for that. We've got Netflix as well, and Sky Go and everything, YouTube, everything. Absolutely amazing. Really is. Lovely car. We'll close the roof. And then it's got a roller blind as well. And that comes across now too. There you go. Absolutely lovely. Lovely vehicle. Low miles as well. There's 49,000 miles on it. I've got the MOTs and all as well for it. Comes with a personalised plate as well. Happy bidding, everyone. Okay. Absolutely lovely. Really is. And what I really like is the wide arch kit, the way all the wee fins in it as well. You can't probably see them, but there's fins in there too. Yep, there you go. Absolutely lovely. Really gorgeous. Okay folks, happy bidding. I'll put this on YouTube so that you can see it on YouTube, and it has one car of the month this month, which is February. Okay, I'll send you the link to it as well. Cheers.